If you've been searching for tours and travel experiences online lately, there's a very high chance you've seen Viator. Because honestly, Viator became one of the biggest travel booking platforms in the world, especially for city tours activities, day trips, airport transfers, and vacation experiences. But is Viator actually worth using? Or are the reviews and tour listings too good to be true? Because honestly, a lot of travelers online have mixed opinions about booking platforms now. So in this video, we're talking about the truth behind Viator, how it works, the pros, the cons, and what you should know before booking anything in 2026. First, what is Viator? Viator is an online travel booking platform owned by TripAdvisor. The platform allows people to book experiences in different countries around the world, including things like walking tours, boat tours, museum tickets, food experiences, excursions, and local activities. And honestly, one reason Viator became so popular is because the platform has an enormous amount of travel options in one place. You can book experiences in Europe, Asia, Latin America, the United States, and many other destinations very quickly. Now let's talk about what people actually like about Viator, because there are definitely some real advantages. First, the platform is extremely easy to use. You can filter experiences by price ratings, duration, language, and location, which honestly makes trip planning much simpler. Especially for tourists visiting a country for the first time. Now, another thing, many users like the reviews. Because many tour listings include thousands of customer reviews and photos. And honestly, that helps people avoid booking random low-quality tours blindly. Especially compared to smaller unknown booking websites. Now let's talk about flexibility. Because this is another reason many travelers use Viator. A lot of activities offer free cancellation reserve, now pay later, or flexible booking options. And honestly, that becomes very useful during travel, especially when plans suddenly change. Now, another thing people mention, the huge variety of experiences. Viator has everything from cheap walking tours to luxury helicopter experiences, and honestly, that variety is one of the platform's biggest strengths. Now let's talk about the negatives, because no travel platform is perfect. First, Viator itself usually does not operate the tours directly. Instead, local companies run the actual experiences. And honestly, this means quality can vary a lot depending on the local provider. Some tours are incredible, while others may feel rushed, disorganized, or completely different from the photos. Now, another complaint people mention, online customer service issues, especially during cancellations or refund disputes. Some travelers say support responses can sometimes take longer than expected, particularly during busy travel seasons. Now, another important thing, some users complain that certain experiences feel overpriced compared to booking directly with local companies. And honestly, that can happen because platforms like Viator usually take commissions from bookings. Now, let's be honest for a second. Viator is not a scam platform. It's one of the biggest travel experience marketplaces in the world, and millions of people genuinely use it successfully every year. But honestly, your experience depends heavily on the individual tour provider you book with, not just the Viator platform itself. That's why reading reviews carefully matters a lot before booking anything. Now, another thing worth mentioning, the best experiences on Viator are usually the ones with large numbers of reviews, recent photos, and detailed customer feedback. Especially tours that consistently maintain high ratings over time. So to wrap this up, Viator can absolutely be a useful platform for booking travel experiences, especially for people wanting easy booking, lots of options, and organized trip planning. But honestly, It's still important to research every individual activity carefully, because not all tours on the platform are equal. If you use reviews wisely, compare prices, and choose highly rated providers, you can honestly find some amazing experiences through Viator.